Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through the complete guide to setting up your pre-order using the PreOrder Now app. We'll go through everything step by step, so you'll have your pre-orders up and running in no time. Whether it's your first time or you just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your apps section and open the PreOrder Now app. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a list of onboarding steps that guide you through the setup process. The first step is enabling the app through your theme editor. You'll see an Open Theme Editor button that takes you right there. Clicking it opens the theme editor where you need to enable the app embed. Once enabled, just make sure to hit Save. Now that it's enabled, it's time to add the products you want to make available for a pre-order. Let's head back to the PreOrder Now dashboard. Once you're there, click on the second step to open the Products section. You can either add individual products or enable pre-orders for multiple products using a tag. To add products, click on the Pre-order Products tab. You'll see an Add Pre-order Product button here or in the top right corner. Clicking it brings up the product selection window. From here, search for and pick the products you want to enable for pre-order. If the product has variants, they'll be listed below so you can choose which ones should be included or excluded. Once everything looks good, click Add to apply the changes. If you'd rather use a tag, switch over to the Pre-order Tags tab. Click Add Pre-order Tag, type the product tag into the text box, and check the option to enable pre-orders for that tag. Don't forget to hit Save to finalize it. Now that pre-orders are enabled, you'll see a list of all the products that have pre-orders active. It's a good idea to open one of these variants to double-check the settings. The status section is right at the top, where you can enable or disable the pre-order for that variant. If the inventory details look incorrect, click Sync Products to update the information. Also, by default, the app applies its default settings to the products. But if you'd like to change anything, like changing the button text or adding a discount, enabling custom settings unlocks those options. For example, if you need to update the pre-order button text, the preview updates instantly while you make adjustments. Let's also add a 10% discount to this variant only. Once those customizations are done, clicking Save locks them in. And if you want to apply the same settings to all variants, just click Apply to all variants at the top of this page. Next, let's explore the main settings. The default settings handle most of the pre-order logic, such as when you want to enable pre-order for all the products. There's also an option to enable Shopify purchase options if you're considering offering partial payments. You'll also find the sections where you can customize the pre-order button and product image badge. Scrolling down, you'll see inventory management settings that control whether the pre-order button appears when inventory hits 0 or stays above 0. In the order management settings, you can add tags to orders that include pre-order items. Then, under the Buttons and Badges visibility settings, you can choose to show the pre-order button and product image badge on your homepage and collection pages, which are both paid features. Cart settings allow for customizing the cart labels. You'll also find the settings for adding stock and mixed cart warnings. If you'd like to apply discounts, whether as a percentage or a fixed amount, the discount options are right here. You can even set a pre-order period if needed. For additional settings, go to the Advanced Settings section. This is where you can adjust the time zone for pre-orders, select your current theme, and customize text and language for the selectors. If your theme isn't listed, the default option works fine. But if it doesn't, reach out to us so we can add it for you. There's also an option to disable jQuery, as well as Google Analytics if you want to track pre-order performance. For email notifications, head over to the Email Settings section. This is where you can enable email notifications and customize the email template. You can also add your sender email address, and once you click Verify, a confirmation email will be sent with a link to verify the address. And finally, to test how the email looks, enter an address in the Test Email section and click Send. Once you've finished setting everything up in the Settings tab, You're all set to start offering pre-orders to your customers. And if things get tricky, or you just want extra guidance, scheduling a free one-on-one onboarding call can be a big help. One of our experts can walk you through everything and ensure your pre-orders are set up perfectly.